Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the freezer door gasket on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new freezer door gasket for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Before installing the door gasket, you will want to watch our other video that gives instructions on how to get the door gasket ready for installation. If you install a new door gasket without following these steps, it will most likely not seal properly. Start by opening the freezer door. Then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. Then, using a 3/8 inch nut driver, remove these 6 screws. Tilt the door forward and lift up and out. Carefully set the door on a blanketed flat surface to prevent scratching. Then gently pull the gasket away from the groove on the door. If you need to purchase a new freezer door gasket, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, start by removing the new gasket from the packaging. Again, reference the other video to make sure the gasket is prepared properly. After the gasket has been prepared, insert one corner of the gasket into the groove on the door. Then, work all the way around, being sure it seats firmly in place. To make installing the door easier, insert a small object onto the pinion wheel track to jam the gear so that the slide brackets stay in place. Then align the tabs on the door brackets to the retainers on the slide rails and gently set in place. Reinstall the screws. To install the lower drawer, insert it at an angle, making sure it sits beneath the support glide rail. Then pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.